The most popular television sports show, also Fire for Fire, the award-winning show. Live was Sempa 94.7 FM radio T1 Clan. I said FM water credit. Would do a sort of FM Asante Achemagogwa, but PI Fire for Fire. Now, wako weekend nabano. No, say me to me was sorry, me Janice show. Also, me was sorry from your weekend. I just say, I mean, wako abano. So I slow. So when you slow. A motivational Monday, more fire, said you. A motivational Monday. No time before any imbecility. There's no time. This is Fire for Fire. Me Dean Patrick Osage, man. You can call me Countryman Songo. Me nyan kopon so. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil. For we walk by, I mean, it's all the time by faith. You understand? As we don't walk by sight. We walk in Jesus' name. And we always know where we are coming from. 15th of March, 2021. Fantastic Monday. More fire. A good deal, you can't send you sit here. Your back commentary position and the Blasters coach, C.K. Akono. And the Blasters coach, C.K. Akono. Foreign-based players, Unya Omu Famo, a year AFCON. Qualify, no. Unya Omu more South Africa match, no. Any South Omi a match now. A matter of self rely on local players. Local players no more equally good. Omit me deliver and in the commentary position. Coach C.K. Akono, more fire. No time for any imbecility. Fire for fire. More fire. But that's how I'm a commentary position. Sports minister, no. New sports minister, no. Yusuf, your friend say, Yusuf Mustafa, say, and and say, if for little, sir, and a ministry need the cassie, ministry need the cassia. Umaba Gigi scared keke. A simple. For it for some ministry need the car, ministry need the car, ministry need the car. Isaac Siamano, Tam what one. Omo the bar will film ye. Nianya papa biano chum. Isaac Siamano, sorry, if you want, made be Blasters. No muka winning bonus. Is it Sudan match or so? Meboa, Olympic team no so no Omoka. Meteors, Meboa. Yes. And a man can see an old see what tweet ya. Meboa. Eti say o for little sa woman some no can say sports ministry the bonus car say also will be when in our film. Oti as a senior accountant munina or I think we sports ministry. Who did cheap stories? What say I can't say be professional, be as sports minister. You will fail. Say to move a peck and be so pesca. No much idea. Then you will fail as sports minister. A cow and yes, I cannot. Woman and I'm okay. So Muko pesca and I chair didia. When you're very careful. More fire. No time for any imbecility. Me say Blasters coach and then I commentary position C.K. Akono man confidence say. O make sure as a foreign based players no. O mama any headache. On for local based players the more ball of South Africa ni South Tome match no. Coach C.K. Akono. Men ku over foreign stars AFCON qualifier no. If possible, you should local based players, no foreign based players. I'll be woman, no offer. Because for now, Munti foreign based players, the teams in here, you release players because of COVID. You release players because of COVID. Born to say a bubble. And now you players in here only foreign based players. Foreign based players, and say, yeah, flow mono. It to be fair, third division players. Second division, division 1. Me who will be an D, a subia, and one party. Party D so, the day you did so, Jordan, you did so. Party be apart from party, who did and did so about us now. But always in the born and chili to be, and your bobby a chili to be. Me who blasters players, Papa be a walk. You will play so, but the entire boss in fact correct players. You have both local and foreign based players. Omo bobo papa. You woman who from national team. Blasters they can make impact. Ombe to me about spirit and ukuta womo. A chance keke. But you have empenyivoa. Omo manage these players. Nanya me yani say omo players no mo call national teams no. And yes, we Ghana fool, but they are average players. And paying for no a force coaches no. And I say be many coaches in here Canada. No more interfere selections. No more eddy woman players in the call blasters one. And yes, we Ghana for players, and yes, we Ghana for omunya players. But they are average players. Be a omun to me more blasters me and the cap. Omuntimi more blasters me who ball be a fair cohesion be a fair formation be a fair utimi say this is blasters players are just what TV one as our stadium now show ma say from goalkeeper to bench no omo bobo be a fair ma waniji blasters in Ghana 92 so ukaya say no waniji omo bobo blasters Steven Apia so ukaya World Cup ni share Serbia no meboa Asamoah Gyan say no wanije omo bobo utase but a bad let down ya na nu ya mu sika samu wia wo mu esi wo mani so ye wura modern world asika samu wura wo mani ewura mu tirim omo hwe so mo because empanyfo omo no omo nam no sa so called football people GFF we omo susi kasam ewura mu tirim taxpayers money women politicians who chair blasters sikadi in the name of blasters chase kadi and I'm a blasters ball I tan I basa uta say I basa nansen blasters bobola and ye fe e tan because players no mo ball o me Ghana for almost ye Ghana for ni afre o but me catch no say empanyfo no players na womo edu ewura blasters selection mu no I interfere no sa players no omo ye average players omo force womo amoma nya national blasters jersey na se na omo de aton omo broni de wo she blasters jersey ya Ghana jersey ya team bi beto it is a business no mo ye na nkanye ye blasters ni ki betumi ye nya blasters local players omo ni bobo foreign based players omo ni bobo ye be blend omo ye do omo be fra Come on, no more national team no blasters. I mean, you say, your man, your talent, your talent. But selection, no, selection in your correct. Selection in your papa, and yet transparent. And then you can blasters. It's a no, me say, Siki Akono. Money, Han who be say foreign based players and the teams, you know, Kase, COVID in tea, Omuma players and ma. COVID in tea, Yariaba, Omuma players in ma, local players in do one earning more. Do one earning boy being in bo. A correct selection, no correct. Yeah, the blasters number who seek it. In slow PR. Fair correct guys, you know. Just focus on local players, you know. Fair woman, you're correct. In slow get to cool players. Slow executive member be whoever players me body woman na odro safu munina slow penny be players Oma ne kuta teams no. Oma players and a national team no. But in slow penny be a player. CK never player who feels so ya dear. Local players no more ya dear no. Assemble womo. Never Gina South Africa match name. Bet me a ball. You good local players. A selection keke. Uyan Hishanimu, Kofa, a Franco, a Keto, Randy, a one painful in alcohol. Uyan Hishanimu, Kofa, Omo players. Yes, Oma players. And a ball league, and I say, Omu various teams, no. And Oma players in the Afri woman, but selection and I say, Yafri woman, correct players, I will bet a sambo woman, I say, Oba select so more born. One first row, I selection, he said, yeah, a ye cat Randy Nini, a ye advice Nini, we play any, when should Sardiana, make catch of Georgia Moku play any, we play and when should Sardiana. Obey your local player selection. Utimni be din amu be share no more. Utasi football people, whoever they can let them away, sanko for no so-called football people. Care to bu nyina will be a professional. Me say, ye nyina you teams, you players. Sa players no obe free wo. Ti o siki akona obe free sa players ni nyina. Ba wo free players ni nyina bia. Enhwe me fireman manim enka se me play mobile by force because who's no me fireman and sheket anim and randy anim and George Amako anim and show be a munyina mo ka me no be a professional me bu munyina me no be a no kre munyina me se ma on hwe monim emfa nye selection mun huna no coach no mumu no mun fa obuo ma no mun support no rather mun nya huna no mo players no be free. But our local players na wafri woman no jai siki akono any David Dankana woman kasa be asambo number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 no more sadi 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 whatever tena bench woman kasa nim say men kasa because of FA president we one we misuro nti okay woman players and also mo shots here bobo no local players ni betimi abo South Africa match no easy o betimi abo se foreign based players na ma ba ni nyina ya selection coach ni o betimi ya selection but o mun support no man nye o mbe interfere selection no o mbe force no fa player we o mu de ahunihuna etu o fa player we local players ni bi ni mbo as a coach to the boss aye local player selection against South Africa team we are local boys ni ba aboni ye why ni local player when your chance one more why ni local player when your chance blasters oba wonim se team beto no oba wonim se ni din be kosoro ono pe blasters abo local player be ni amana chance I want me more you just don't give them the chance otasi ye players so we fit. Se foreign based players into me ma ye players o more form se foreign based players into me ma o selection ni sike o say e transparent based on merit en suro panyi bia nkofa panyi bia player o tasi ena maka no ya ho ya na ye football no ya ye players ne be ko but ye players ne ko ha en suro fireman anim en funny player ne en start when any kwaso de ni player ne start. Believe in your team. Believe in yourself. Say wuni madie wo man ye de adwuma na hye say tua wo ka wona ye support wo wona president Akufo-Addo support wo siki akono believe say obi ata wachi et believe in yourself no selection otase en worry kra say bia me koye selection a ebebo o man na ketokura ku bia na say Randy Adbe bia na say obi ote ba bi ebe ka say da bi no they will not omu ya ebe fa ya omu ntimi so yenyina ye pe we no otase yenyina ye pe correct national team ama blasters eti o selection they don't let them influence you and in the commentary position kache siki akono se foreign based players in team ma covid inti omu players ye mpesi be release omu clubs mpesi be release omu players no me foreign based players me who be a wo good be a kesi be a why mo foreign based players no ball bay foreign based players we mo ball bay last stars no mo person mo ya de business a wo mo gusu de business mo sha ase de business and to kwa selection kwana ekoso blasters Ghana for muntio and to kwa selection see ye beti ho ase niama player and I say players invite no just say interference we can coach penny say yem penny sa and paying for munyayo na national team ni yen nyina de anyamo de ya mama ye fe say mo baba for national team de baba business de baba pesca munya salmon nonsense no nonsense 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 0302211704 mama will be 5 seconds champion match over 5 seconds mo BNT no one side fia o man so freshman capsules first lady capsules CK for local players and mo no match over 5 seconds yetio Hamtamen Jensen big boss energy drink Hepa Plus mixture more fire
so for me that's papa the one can no papa c'est na mekata sika kuranga zo fro oni kukudro tete na mekata na kukudra so coach also bia ka se wono na kasa na friend players ya force ya bolo kaliga utinti ukoko to ko match ukaka so pop match tete na wono first last evambo all of them bona sabe omo players na omo team no into so into na kameme kwa na kamama ya play Gana Blasta ya for personal omo no for to play the ba omo abrete omo team bobo to tell the local players bobo
Oja Majesty more fire Hepa Plus mister Napa Makira Napa Makira
okay can ayo but I'm telling the fact there's nowhere else you know omo interfere else like I say they are in charge and only if I obey the enemy engagement I don't know that no but that's a person that can get the go work and so no I mean now for the people going to be back no and then they are catch or you know because there's no way every person that can go to appear there keep going to say alpha player we about the one that one see what they are there let's go for no as many do I say I'm a business
no way so for business no way for business Oja no way appeal good through fire no having the synthesized free and point na pamakre local boys ni betimi abobo no
so share the pedigree of Coach CK Akono it tells you say obetumi ayijuman obetumi chan na so this pandemic no ama opportunity na for local based players so say almost obetumi atro mo bobre and unfortunately and fortunately, I think there was a players so not coach so courage. I'm sure that with City Akono, I'm sure that the job will be done.
Oja, catch a City Akono say, one fair local players and selection open and for more foreign based players now move to me you should local players and I'm paying through fire no heavy insecticide spray and more fire. Na pamakre
for juma fa o ye o fe fire for fire there my Ghana ni ayese
oh gosh Oja na se no obetumi asaba Oja na se website and 0302211701 0302211702 ofa kwaku yeti o through fire no ofa kwaku more fire ofa kwaku na pamakre yeti o through fire no yeti o
the mission could you
CK Akono yeah
you were pass player or you could player as good now and one for me and from match
ombetimi abo
so kra ni nya the you move their politics and their politics born if you know who me fa look at me ambo
Oja ajana one through fire no having insecticide spray na pamakre more fire big boss energy drink more fire CK on for local boys the more
so yamamo any bonfire
asempani adom kaka America ni se ya befre mo bia convention ti to fa we bobo ana fa we bobo se bi oye mature coach
Bon fire.
Oye member oye GFA president ba na ko influence ya befre se jai
Bon fire.
because who the nipa na ba se on be boa Ghana football na once or the nipa na ba no man will not let man put in the local players someone in bobo sorry players in no tinya no mo ti o mo bobo e ti bench o ti say wo local players be ti o mo yi na mo bo na ye win ni o kan dia mi o ya di na
Bon fire. Woja ye koye nim ni sa mi hu headline bi eye mesere keke na meba so abraphobia to fire no more fire bon fire local boys in the betima bo
Kotiki akono onya kudro no se adwuma ne Ghana for the man ye teneki so selection na ho ye na mo ko ha opani bi ani e ko selection ho popo bi afa me Trafford ne so because Ghana e here winner of course because me ya me maka me local players ne ye fantastic players wo mai mu a ono ade na adwene wo ko opani bi ani no ko fa bi opani bi players no ono aka to ye selection na local players ne be bo am ye bi ni game so se Ghana for teneki on pe players o mo ade a o me ready so on be die for the day no for mo inam na ye be support no so am ready ngolo na bi dia
Kabiru Motors to fire no more fire
Kantima zo go
see ke betimi aya dwuma no wonye bon fire
nipa no mo ti o afro mo so mo ye GFA boss nya me be tui o mo ka
interference nkwa
nya me be tui o mo ka o mo hwete atamo dan nya me be tui o mo ka o ma ti ga na kwa acho so black stars no mo nda anya busia anya pe me ya manager me tabi o mo nda coach no anya na jima
bon fire Woja Lampard oba Patro fire no more fire big boss energy drink Bet Boro
I think what you are saying is a very competent coach management
bon fire
here coach is the business the human action I think that we they should allow him to select his own players so we have players or actually they are competent players woman on performance no extra any part so you can now my penny you go play a bit and manager for man I say because of the marketing in the better last time I trust animal we have for 2 media if you the human coach na one kasanya na agena kan konye na the idea and the near or it can able to be for to player bana ko ye dia na ta o ke ta di coach na and yama
Oja fantastic see you see the support Ghana for more support one kasa be yourself ensuro panyin bi anim emfa ni player wonimbo average players no anko ye be fire it is support and say local boys in betimi abo when you select good players correct local boys in the system come on ombabo you don't need to worry about foreign based players no men central fire no more fire Bet Boro na pamakle more fire
Nkwa enye 64 years
yeah
me enye monwa ene ko fa bruni ba ene ka sa bruni na be si bruni na ye
bon fire
si bini
bon fire
si dia ba Ghana me be me ka ya be dia match one enye ye ene monwa
bon fire
boy di o ko bi di so ko to mo zo ko kwedi enye monwa ndi obi a na adia de nsewe yo man ba kwa na ko ene fo bruni ba mo si bruni ayi se e fo bini so mo si bruni bini be fo mo ko zo mo ise en fa na e me ko chi no
Oja bon fire ma be ko elembe bon fire to the fire no
Longo
Bet Boro bon fire
the ambassador can say
bon fire
because omo ba kwa na omo nim how I any local boys na be omo ba ball abriche ball style ni bibia the ambassador can say of local boys no fa mo the be sibia ni say yeah trust on
na na gini pa family bon fire foreign based players no good you be use but more fire onya confidence on local players to fire no we family bon fire
Ghana hanam no ye ke footballer mpeni ko pebre na de omkra aso age
bon fire
ye de bia ye kan nte tiki match ya kwa poboy obi bia ono be na me na me bo chairman na me say mini pa we ha tiki on kwa coach
bon fire bon fire fantastic ujane shewa be do baba alasa munta kama ko saba o to fire no so no time for any imbecility Bet Boro twa ubedi wate bet boro twa nebi more fire Mommy Julie Irif Mommy Julie more fire and Mommy Julie see what share my life and I'm a bono it must have been in love but it's over now more fire
no we're about to say well they say boom 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 now let me hear say well
more fire we just show our bed over big boss energy drink papa and say Elon Treatment Center Omaba Elon okay Omaba Treatment Center okay now freshman capsules fresh lady capsules Obama musabi bedin ukoti mu bedin ahia freshman capsules oba fresh lady capsules no so be efin sabi ene mimoba white eba wase for what reason bema be be pewo oba ene mimoba ni gwa white ba wase that means you are not neat. Go and use fresh lady capsules. Onum fresh lady capsules ne be yinka if you vagina and I say kama amana kama fresh lady capsules. Ham tamin ginseng no sisi mu bedin. Bema no moba no sisi mu bedin kama. You will feel for good sex. Ham tamin ginseng. Very good. Oh sorry be albanumbi. Ham tamin ginseng. Obanum bema no fantastic. Na Hepa Plus mixture. And also boost immune system no COVID time here kunto kwane ma kama inti Hepa Plus mixture there uhia so be no bi na pa mackerel aha no enam no na pa mackerel enam no mackerel papa no go for mackerel umukika kanyina me me hu go say wa mackerel masa na pa no emudu wote ase de kama so odi gari nko ayi soki ena etu kama na odi watu na pana na odi eno nko a fantastic mebwa o ye nkwan a na pai chale ena a rich unse nam ni ne obi se hwa makre ukobie su a waya nti na pa makre ni na ye ene na ye maka na pa makre no having insecticide spray and coil ekum tontoma no ano papa having insecticide spray and coil ano ye pa nikwe light technician happy fire birthday in common when newati tina my boy must have been in love but it's over now more fire nice one mommy Julie well Irif London I mean she's watching me live me baby girl you say no much say yes me I'm all weather ala samun ta kama ko sa wujane shewa
songo obeba
wujane shewa
obeba unia
wujane shewa
obeba fireman
blasters coach siki akono more fire
wo songo me da se on say we aya akonya kese ama coach no any local boys no hano as obi a kire say wo train adwuma because ye nyina nim say team yi be ye fan say since 82 a Ghana call Libya kwaje cup bae no team ni nyina be professional players national team no be professional players so omo na ntimi anye hwe ama Ghana o ti ase enne ba bi adi na duru no ye nyina hu say covid you say professional players ni ntimi ma it is say local players
yes setting
okay but songo according to the economy so ni say omo ba na omo ko omo quarantine omo 14 days I don't think the club will be there because they say FIFA new kwans obetimi and say mo player alamra chinchin the club na ma ultimate country and a class and I don't think so about because of COVID near see
na local boys did
make say nature mu say local boys e be as that time no I na nim say local boys na national team no na say be nim cry wo mo okay say because 38 years ni Ghana team ni cap it cap ya di nyina no local boys na team je cap no ma Ghana with local coaches it as I repeating who biom who some na make am because you nim say say sika kono we local coach what you say when you foreign coach ana ba bia dina du no ye ne South Africa le kwakobo bo no ana say no ye team no nyina aye local boys ana wa from say ye nhwe so betima ba wo mo de ala mo ntumi mo ba nyi na betina coach ni management ne so because so mo kana kre so betima ma na kre ye adwuma na mo nya yimu say we dey say teacher me man boy say as say the professionals in you we player and say obo say onimbo ye man mo bo dia ne so be kana kra ye nyina ni league ne say dey siko o ti ase enti what kind of kra no one free players no merit so go say one free players no wie Kwa before so selection. Ama ye hu say me blended team we and as say ye nyina hu bi. And ye nyina hu me bi atwam that was 2003. Accra as a folk team dominated emphasis 90% above Jana or Kaho or Super Eagles of Nigeria or move on Accra Sports Stadium. You hu kwaya or move fast ball. It's man chase a beer. One for players, you know. I said, Tintin, I remember we play. More fire. Say team back to crowd players. Not so did it on bit man results about what. So we no problem. But how say, wait there, I remember be a share. Wait for the hand to me man more. Wait for the army man and monoco bobo. Never to Kadia Tongo. And the same baby back. It's yes, one I call the coaching course. You didn't seek a corner. What for the Nancy form? More be influence and say, more more. Ye nyina ye hwebi ye impress no say de omu nyina mo de mo tie e den ya ofle players a bi ni possible so go ni de si ba bia players dey ofra ye nim say when ni mo de mo yes we into commerce boys no na mo tinchen na go fofa players bia ya ye di ya fra phone so anase ya fra wa catch say we di o ma no mo anase we di o ma no mo let's just only coach papa this is say sika kon ha na watch say we coach so go me dey be found say obi a wo tie akire anase bia bibi say you never be coach no so one for the night form say bibi kra obi opposite say my player mo a woni no kasa wa resign ye nyina ye be ka bia ma no but we dia go no confront we player and we player because league na when na akwakobo no when you say qualify o so go South Africa for no o mo share ya ye ne Lesotho e man kata e dan deal bibi abetimesi o mo so share team qualify it just o hwe ye no for good players no mo timi bo e na be ka no BSC da yes sir into one selection here. Say be you be say team no wa free players no merit, especially the 11 players now one the best start man.
More fire. Nyame adum na adum ya. Mo nyame adum na adum ya me do full classic boutique. Oh pretty. So wait for Wednesday. Eh? Pretty baby. Oja.
No vuelve a say, wey, oh.